Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off two-step verification on Gmail account. So to do that, let's head over to our Gmail application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then tap on your profile by tapping your profile icon on the top right corner. From there, go to manage your account. And in here, go to security. Now scroll down and here you will find the option of two-step verification. Head over there. It will verify that if it is you. I'm currently giving my phone's password. So here, if you turn on your two-step verification, you can turn it off by tapping. There will be an option off or button of turning off, and you just have to tap on it and give your Gmail account's password and your two-step verification will be turned off. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off your two-step verification on your Gmail account. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next one.